Hello and welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Today I'm gonna make some fajitas. So first off, I need to light up my grill because I want to grill the chicken for it. As you can see, we have gotten quite a bit of snow, about 2 feet. Okay, so I've got 1 pack of chicken legs and 1 pack of chicken thighs. They're about 1.5 pounds or 700 grams each. Just cutting off the excess skin using Maynard's Memphis barbecue rub and some Montreal chicken seasoning because I think they go well together, kind of complement each other, layers of flavor, you know. Anyway, seasoning both sides, putting them to the side, and then going outside to check on the grill. Okay, I guess they dry brown for about 5 minutes before I put them on because I didn't really have time, so I like that on a weekday. Anyway, making a simple guac. I've got 3 avocados that I'm pitting with a spoon, or I'm removing the pit and then just getting them out with a spoon. Then I've got 3 garlic cloves, and I'm just going to use a garlic press to put them in the bowl as well. And then we need to add a little bit of taste to this, so I'm using a sauce that my son got as a promo at his restaurant. It's habanero sauce. It's really good. So I've got first 10 and then a couple of more splashes. It's up to you how strong you want it. 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, some twists of garlic pepper, some twists of pink Himalayan salt, and then just mash it together. Once you get it to a kind of broken up consistency, add 2 generous tablespoons of mayo. This is a keto dish after all. Okay, mixing it to putting it in the fridge. The chicken has reached somewhere between about 80 degrees Celsius or 180 Fahrenheit. Some of them are actually more, but I just want them like that, just to be safe. Okay, I'm picking these off. Didn't find my cotton gloves, so I'm just doing a few because my fingers burned up. Okay, homemade tortilla bread, I'll link to that. It's made of almond flour, a little bit of salad, a little bit of tomato, some of the guac, and then I fried up some mushrooms in butter and a couple of pieces of chicken. And there we go. Fajita done. Time for a taste.
There we go. Oh, San Diego. There we go. Some kettle tacos. Let's try it. Oh, that came out nice. I'm gonna enjoy this and smell like garlic. Thank you for watching. Bye.